Eradicate sibling rivalry. Eradicate it, sir. You want to build generational wealth? In your lifetime, are they united? Look at our 4 sons. You will think they are just brothers for life. Look at me and my elder brother. We speak daily, sir. Our mom left a property for us, and I just woke up one morning. I said, let me call my brother to tell him that the property mama left, if he's interested, he should take it and forget me. I called him. I said, bro, the property mama left, please, I'm not interested. Please take it. He also said that I wanted to call you yesterday to tell you that you are interested in the property mama left. Please take it. I'm not interested. You don't know how many people I have prayed for telling me that they are going to court, especially polygamous. And there are even those that are not polygamous. Every time you see sibling rivalry, is showing you how your hand will be. Rise up and kill it. No preferred child. No preferred child. I'm talking about enduring wealth that 300 years after you is still moving. It's still moving. And people don't pay attention to these things. You mean you are alive, your children are fighting like this? They are not greeting each other. You are even supporting one against another. Promote love among your children. Promote unity. There must be family traditions. Every Christmas, they must come home with their wives. Don't let any woman or man come in that will separate them. I don't need to tell my elder brother I can enter his house now. And I didn't say I'm coming. Pray it into reality. There must be family traditions to be kept for life. Till now, every Easter Monday, I still go home. I still go home to see my uncle, my mom's younger brother. And we sit down to discuss family issue. Now, in my family, we have it. Birthdays, we don't play with it. If I ask you quickly this morning to progress, do you have family traditions that are dear to you, that binds the children, the dad, and the mom together into unity? Do you have family culture? Can I have media? Give me quickly on the screen, culture. Everybody shout with me, family culture. Louder and louder. Yes, everybody shout with me, culture. So now separate cult and, no, not culture. So put a knife in here in the middle. Listen to me. This is it. Build a cult-like family. It must be cult-like, impenetrable. There must be vows. Even on your deathbed, call them and said, I have left you as one, don't separate. I labored. I am leaving things for you people. What I labored for shouldn't be the reason you will scatter. And let them start working on it in your lifetime. Be interested in who they will marry. Be interested in who is coming. Even their friends. Let what binds the family together be strange to know. That the bonding is strong. Even if we offend each other, we forgive each other. We don't expose our nakedness in the public. Family matters are not taken to the public domain. There is a bonding. There is an understanding. This is how to lay the foundation. Break the poverty mindset over yourself and your family generationally. Break the poverty mindset over yourself and your children and your family generationally. Proverbs 23 verse 7. As a man thinks, so is he. Poverty is a mindset. Poverty is an habit. Poverty is an attitude. Poverty is a personality. You must deliberately break poverty mindset over your family. I repeat, you must intentionally and deliberately break poverty mindset over your family. It is important for you to know the thought of poverty should be attacked, and parents should be the example. The mindset of poverty should be changed. The thought of poverty should be attacked. The mindset of poverty should be changed. The perspective of poverty should be erased. Scarcity mentality, where people believe only in scarcity. Let your children believe in abundance. Yourself and your spouse, daddy and mommy, exemplify it. Let them see the result in your life. Let them learn financial planning. Let them learn financial discipline. Let them learn generosity from you. Let them see you exemplify it. They will know how to keep record when they also see you keep financial records. Let your children see you face financial battles. Share the victory with them. Let them see you make money. Listen to me. Let them know how you make money. Except it's not legitimate. According to their understanding, there are things they should